right together with you. Outside, you know it's falling, friends are calling you. It's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Welcome back to my channel. It's That's So Tamia, and today's video I will be doing an unboxing. I will be unboxing of my Apple Watch. Oh, can't wait. So today's video, like I said, I'll be doing an unboxing of my Apple Watch. So please continue on watching. Please like this video. Please subscribe down below. Also, comment down in your video requests that you might want me to do. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I think it's the Apple Watch Series 4, I believe. But the boxing is like that. That's the box, and that's the back of it. Sorry. Getting all over it, so I'm just gonna open the box like so. But oh. So the packaging. This is the packaging, and this is the Nike version. But this is all the sports bands that you can do things of that sort. I can't wait because we're gonna Disney World. Okay, and this is the Apple Watch part. This is my band. So I'm gonna open up the band first. Ooh, okay. So this is just some paper. Then my Apple, and then open it and stuff. And I have a black one. So like I said, the other packaging like that. So I have a black one. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay, the Apple Watch. Yes. That's so pretty. Bogus. Oh, my Apple Watch right there and the paper. So we have some more things that I can like do. Because we're not set it up right now. Have my cord, my block, I have my block right here, and we have the Apple Watch. It's sorry, I think it's space gray. Oh, the funny part is on there, and it's in space gray, I believe. Okay. Okay, so I was doing before my sneeze. So I'm gonna skip the cellular because my mom is paying for my cell phone bill right now, so I don't know how she does that. So we'll just skip it right now. Yes, install all available. So right now, my watch is just install. I'll come back when it's installing. Okay, so I'm back. finally finished. So it's so I'm about, that's right. So that, okay. So going to figure out what my face is gonna be. Kind of want Disney, but I don't know if they have any of those. I can't. Face gallery. That's what I want. No. Cause I told my auntie she had to. Oh, there we go. I found her. Found it. I definitely want Mickey. Well, Minnie. She definitely gonna be red. She red. Mickey. My Minnie Mouse one. Right. Yes. That's my face. Okay, now no complications. Implications. No. I don't have anything. Okay, so let's see here. Ooh, she's a beauty. Okay. Okay. My mail is coming. Music is coming from my friends. Gotta put that on. Definitely. Oh, let's put my Wi-Fi on here. I don't know. So, let's see. Everything is still coming up, so. Ooh, I want another photo. Another, like, new. More faces. More faces. Okay, so. What's more? I don't know how I did it before. I'll be back. Well, that has been it in my unboxing of my Apple Watch. Right now I have Paris because I love Paris, but it's that has been it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe down below. Also like this video, comment down any of your video requests that you want me to do, and that has been it. Bye guys.
The red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.